Hi, my name is Eric Teo and welcome to Fair Price Chinese New Year Special. I would like to show you how to prepare a sea cucumber with woh hup plum sauce. So to start, we'll blanch the green vegetables. So water is boiling. We just add the green vegetables. We'll add the salt to blanch the sea cucumber. Put some spring onion. Ginger. We will just place the sea cucumber right inside. So the purpose of the ginger is to remove the smell of the sea cucumber, and the spring onion is to fragrant, and salt is to let it have a little bit of flavor. So we switch off the fire and we just leave it aside for about 15 minutes. So this is already 15 minutes. It's already nicely blanched, ready to be fried. Okay, so we're gonna start cooking right now. First, of course, we're gonna add some oil and the black beans. So these are the preserved black beans that have been rinsed with water. Some garlic, chili, and followed by the leek. So once it's fragrant, we're gonna add the mushrooms. So now we're going to add the chicken stock, the plum sauce, the green vegetables, and finally the sea cucumber. And you bring the heat to high heat. Okay, it's ready. So we're going to dish out. So we garnish with coriander leaf. And here you have sea cucumber with woh hup plum sauce. Happy Chinese New Year and 恭喜发财!